Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can gain exposure to Bitcoin using the Trading 212 app. First, open the Trading 212 app and make sure you have a Funded Invest or ISA account. Direct Bitcoin ownership is not supported, so you will not find BTC as a tradable asset. Instead, you can invest in companies that hold large amounts of Bitcoin. One of the most well-known is MicroStrategy, which owns a very large Bitcoin reserve. To start, tap on the search bar and type MicroStrategy or MSTR. When you see it appear, tap on it to open its trading page. Here you will see its price, chart, and company details. Because MicroStrategy holds Bitcoin, its stock price often reacts to Bitcoin's movements. This gives you indirect Bitcoin exposure. If you want to buy, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy full shares or fractional shares, depending on your budget. Check the order details, review the total amount, and confirm your purchase. After your order is filled, the stock will appear in your portfolio. Remember that investing in MicroStrategy or crypto-related notes carries risk. The stock can rise or fall based on Bitcoin, but also based on the company's own business performance. Thanks for watching.